how to use the AI content creator for video titles that get more views. In this video, I will share a live demo of the AI content creator tool I use and recommend, and also a number of other ways to use AI or artificial intelligence to make more money online. Hi, I'm Joe Barclay. And before we get going, if you are new to my YouTube channel, please be sure to click the subscribe button right now and hit the notification bell too, because I post multiple new videos every week and you'll want to be sure you get the information. Also, I hope you will support my YouTube channel and give this video a thumbs up. Hit the like button also to let YouTube know that this is the kind of content you like. AI, or artificial intelligence, is all over the news these days. The simple explanation of AI is that it uses technology to perform tasks that would have been done by humans. You have probably used AI without thinking about it. Some simple examples of AI are things like Alexa, Google Voice, and ChatGPT. I'm still blown away at how it works. Basically, what happens is AI takes in large amounts of data and analyzes it. Then it uses this data to spit out what you're asking for. In our industry, it can give us new levels of creativity for all kinds of marketing content, and it can be a tremendous time saver too. I use AI for videos, my blog, landing pages, and emails too. Man, it's cool. And there really isn't much of a learning curve to put it to work. I use AI to create all kinds of content: headlines, body copy, titles, and calls to action. Let's jump over to my computer and I'll show you a live demo of me using the AI content creator to generate video titles. Keep in mind that this is just one of the many ways you can use AI to make more money online. Again, it's super simple to use. There really isn't much of a learning curve. Okay, here we are inside my back office of the Home Business Academy. I've posted a number of videos about HBA and why it is my main focus. It is my number one recommended income stream. It pays out 80% commissions and has recurring income too. HBA has the best training and tools for online marketing of any business, even traditional brick and mortar stores. It includes a funnel builder, mastermind marketing training, daily live coaching calls, and more at a fraction of the cost of competing products. It also includes the AI content creator. Right here, we call him Emerson. And before we get to the live demo, I want to let you know that the AI content creator can do almost anything you can think of: headlines, emails, video scripts, blog posts, ad copy. Some folks even use Emerson to write poetry. And Emerson is just part of our traffic and conversions membership. As an example, look at all the training we have here: how to get traffic for free, training on paid methods. In the free traffic, we have 15 videos alone just on YouTube training. But let's get to the Emerson content creator machine. See, I was getting ready to do a couple of YouTube videos today and I was working on some titles. And say I was doing a video on making money online as a beginner. What I would do, and you got to be specific, I would ask Emerson to 7. I think I could type better, wouldn't you? 7 YouTube titles for making money. Let's call it making money online as a beginner. Want to be as specific as you can. Click go. It'll take a few seconds for Emerson to create the content. But look at this. Here's the 7 titles I asked for: how to make money online as a beginner, step-by-step guide; 5 easy ways for beginners to make money online; how to earn money online as a beginner without investment; on and on and on. Powerful titles. Let's give it another example. Say I was going to create a video on how to create passive income. So I'd ask it again. I'd ask it to write me 7 YouTube titles. And for this example, how to create passive income. And again, click go, give it just a few seconds. Okay, so here's what it kicked out. The Ultimate Guide to Creating Passive Income Through Investing. How to Generate Passive Income. 7 Proven Strategies. On and on and on. Powerfully creative. Now, these are all just starting points. I'll try to get them in my own words and spend a few minutes optimizing them for search results. But what a terrific tool. What a time saver. What a great way to make money online. And speaking of making more money online, check out what I do. We'll teach you how to create a full-time income in as little as 30 minutes per day, even without any previous skills, using online marketing and the AI content creator. To learn more, go to my website, makemorefaster.com, or click the link in the description. Go ahead and do it now. We'll talk soon.